All right, well, we are back here on the iWealth podcast where we talk about all things that relate to wealth. And today we actually get to do a fun little topic. Brad, I understand that recently you did a food drive. So tell us a little bit about that and how it ended up shaking out.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. About 8 or 9 years ago, I came across someone in Waseca that was talking about the Thanksgiving food drive that they did, and I think it was the Lions or something like that, which is awesome, and they still do it to this day. They just got done with it. Anyway, there wasn't anything for Christmas, and Trudy and I sat down and said, hey, let's see if we can start this and see if we can put some money behind this and provide Christmas dinner to people in need in Waseca. And we knew that there was a need, and now we know even more that there's a need. But here's what's really cool. There's about 60 families or so that line up and give. You know, we send out a letter to them asking them to give. They send money directly to Waseca Area Neighborhood Service Center. The funds all go there. But the leftover money goes to the backpack program, and that's a program that's run up to like 7th or 8th grade.
Sure.
And these kids on the weekend will get a backpack with food for Saturday and Sunday in it. It's crazy to me with all the blessings that I've had to think, right, that they need that, but the need is there. I mean, it's strong. And so whatever money's left over, and our clients know this, and the community knows this, whatever money's left over stays at Waseca Area Neighborhood Service Center, but it goes to that backpack program. So it's really cool. Anyway, this week on Wednesday, we had some of the board members come, and we presented a check for just over $7,000 to the Waseca Area Neighborhood Service Center. And it's not about me, it's about the community and giving to them, and our clients all pitching in and the community pitching in. So it's just we were able to get it started, and we keep it rolling. We have a method to everything that we send out, but it's just so humbling that we're able to deliver that check from the community back to the community. And people can show up on like the 22nd this year, and they get their turkey and their mashed potatoes and stuffing and a gallon of milk or a couple gallons of milk, or it's all based upon how many kids are in their family, and they're vetted. These people have to fill out an application, so it's just really, really neat.
It's crazy how with money, there's 3 things you can do with it. You can spend it on yourself, you can save it, or you can give it away. And they always say that the most fun you'll ever have with money is
giving it away.
That's how it works.
Yeah. I mean, we got the spirit of Christmas coming up here, and I'm sure the same as with you. I mean, I enjoy people opening the gift more than I enjoy, I used to be told as a kid, you got to smile when you get that gift from grandpa and grandma, you got to pretend like you like it. It's one of those things to be able to give. And so, it's just really cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your service, and we'll see you back here next time.
You bet.